Hi everyone, I'm so happy you're here and I hope you're all having an amazing week so far. Today's video is our guest bedroom decorate with me for Christmas, as well as a very easy DIY Christmas present decor. Not only am I excited to share with you today's video for our very first Christmas decorating, but also this video is in collaboration with my friends from Bedding Dreamer. They have sent me their satin duvet cover with 2 pillowcases, and I love how soft and luxe they look and feel. The appearance of this fabric is softer silk and elegant. What I love about the sheet is that it's satin reduces friction between skin and fabric and prevents fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps smooth and prevent frizzy hair. I also love how it's so cool to the skin. This duvet cover has a zipper closure and corner ties, making it easy to insert the comforter and preventing the comforter from shifting and sliding. This set is also shrink and wrinkle resistant, which I have already washed in dryer like my other duvet sets. They are also 100% satisfaction guaranteed, and I love how affordable they are. They also sell so many different styles and choices to choose from. I will leave their link on the description box below in case you are interested in this set. Please continue watching till the end to see how I've styled this duvet set for our guest bedroom for Christmas, as well as a DIY Christmas present decor. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you all so much for being here. I sincerely hope you have enjoyed this video and got some ideas in decorating your guest room or any of your bedroom for Christmas with a touch of glam. And if you did enjoy this video, please show some love by kindly hitting that thumbs up button. I'd sincerely appreciate it. And share this video with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed yet, I hope you consider doing so. Again, thank you so much for being here. Please stay tuned. My next video will be decorating our living room for Christmas. Till next time, I hope to see you all on the next one. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!